Now we get to dive into the wonderful world of behaviors, where we'll get to add the functionality that will see this triangle blur the background behind it. We'll head over to the far left of the screen and open the Interactivity tab. Then we'll head over to the Behaviors tab. An element needs to be selected to apply a behavior to it, so we'll first just ensure that badge_blur is selected. Then we'll click on the plus icon in the top right of the Behaviors tab and select BackgroundEffect Behavior from the list. We'll then head over to the Behaviors properties on the right of the application window and we'll hover over its source property. From there, we'll click on its three-dot menu and select Create Binding. The source, in this case, represents the element that we want to be the target of the blurring. So in this case, our background_image. So we'll head over to the Name tab of the binding menu to be able to point to it by name. We'll just ensure that background image is selected under the element name, and then we'll select all of the text present in the Path Properties field and delete all of it. Then, from the Effect property, we'll select Blur Effect and give it a radius of 128. And you'll immediately see that our triangle is now blurring the background behind it. Super cool!